and you get to design the perfect life for yourself. It's like, would you do it? I said no. And it's worth like 40% of my grade. I feel like an idiot. Hi guys, good morning. So I'm gonna be filming a quarantine week in my life where I take you through every single day, show you what I do. Thought it would be a fun, cute, chill little vlog. What year am I in? I still wear my sororities t-shirt even though I'm no longer in it. They're just really comfy. Also, today's the first day of my 1-month workout challenge, and that's gonna be a whole different video. Me running 30 minutes every single day and then doing 100 squats and then building that number up as the weeks go for a whole month. The first thing I'm gonna do today is actually go ahead and film the intro of that video. Let's get started. I need to like measure my waist and my butt for the before and afters. So my waist is got a little bit of an outfit change. This is literally a behind the scenes of being a YouTuber vlog, basically. I'm filming a online shopping with me video. Your love is suicidal. For me, your love is suicidal. So how PR works, like gets free clothes, technically it's not free because I did a lot today before breakfast. I haven't even had breakfast yet. I'm going downstairs now to join my family. I'm having a smoothie. It is now time for me to start doing homework. But before I do that, I need to go ahead and put on these blue light blocking glasses. It's gotten to a point where I can't do work on my laptop if I don't have these babies on. I'm obsessed with these ones from iBuyDirect. They're like your one-stop shop for glasses. You could get prescription ones, you could get blue light blocking ones, you could get sunglasses. I'm very picky when it comes to my frames, and I'm obsessed with these ones. These are the sequence frames, and they're in the color Ocean Tide, and they kind of look tie-dyed, especially with this like virus thing going on and everything is now remote. I feel like I'm spending so much of my time looking at a screen because I'm not only like editing videos on my laptop now, I'm listening to like lectures that are hours long like every single week. And what blue light canceling glasses do, it blocks the dangerous light that comes from your screen into your eye. In return, like gives you less of a headache, your eyes hurt less, you even sleep better at night. You can literally have them shipped to your house in as little as 2 days, and you also have a 14-day period when you can try them on, and if you don't like them, you can send them back to them. I definitely recommend that you guys check them out. You can use my code Hailey25 and you'll get 25% off your entire order. I will have a link down below for iBuyDirect, and then I'll also have a link for these exact frames because these are my favorites that I actually found on there. Self-care is important. Take care of yourself, take care of your eyeball health. I'm writing a philosophy paper. This is my midterm and it's worth like 40% of my grade. This was my little outline, and the paper is on personal identity. So basically like I'm explaining what it means to be a person, not like in the physical sense like an organism, but more so like being a thinking, conscious being. I actually am super into philosophy. I made this website where I would like upload my essays just for fun so like people could read what I had to say, and when I'm done with this I'm definitely gonna upload it onto there. Studious gal! So it is now 3:30, page 4. I'm going full speed. I'm slowly starting to hang out with people who've been quarantining as well. So hopefully I'm done with this so that I can actually do that. When you're doing schoolwork, make sure that you're hydrating, because if you're dehydrated, it actually affects your focus on things. I'm gonna be taking a little break. When I'm working, I like to give myself little time periods where I can take a break. It just makes me work more efficiently and I can focus better. You wanna go on a walk? Okay. It's literally, are you ready for this? 6:18 p.m. I think I'm done with most of my essay. It was 5 pages long. I'm going on a run. I'm gonna listen to my audiobook in the meantime. See you guys later. I showered. This is the best feeling in the whole entire world, when you're showered and clean and in comfy clothes. And I'm gonna head over to Esther's. We're at Esther's and we are making mac and cheese from scratch. Do you guys see how I pulled up with this sauce right here? What the f? Is this an electric pepper shaker? Yes, it is. Oh my god, my mac and cheese has never been bougier. Look at that. Ooh, we're watching Alice in Wonderland. Okay. Why do I look like this. Hey guys, this is my new hairstyle. I hope you guys get used to it. It's not going away anywhere. Say hi to my FaceTime.
Yeah.
Thank you for participating in this vlog when the 5G towers your Wi-Fi. Why does my hair still look like this? Let's get our day started. Every morning, wake up, school. If you don't have this on your MacBook, I definitely recommend that you get it. It actually comes with your MacBook when you buy it, and it's this app called Stickies. And basically I plan out everything that I have to do during that week. So today I have a comm lecture and a philosophy lecture. Before every lecture, a professor assigns us something to read that kind of gives us like insight on what he's going to be talking about in the lecture. I take notes on the reading right here. I haven't had breakfast yet. My mom's actually setting up breakfast. Hi, are you tanning? Are you sunbathing, little boy? I decided to come out here to study, get some fresh air. I just like working out here better than working inside. We're vibing. Jax, are you vibing? What are you doing? Welcome to my crib, literally.
How are you, baby?
I'm good. I'm doing homework. This is the lecture, and here I take notes.
Good girl.
Thank you. My mom made us some pasta, and I'm still going strong with school. I want to get school over with. I want to go on another run.
Oh, sorry, excuse me. Why is he called a master argument? It's because, as you'll see...
Finally, we're done with school. I feel like an idiot. I never film myself like crying or anything like that, because obviously if you're going on YouTube, you're trying to have fun. And I hate it when YouTubers are just being so dramatic and coming on camera and crying. But it's like I have so many responsibilities and so many assignments and things I have to do, and like I just want to take a 2-day nap. But I can't, so that's where I ended up today. I need to go and run for my workout challenge. I'm actually excited for this run though, because I feel like it'll make me feel better. Even if we make our lives look so perfect for the camera all the time and edit out all the things that we say wrong and edit out everything that makes us look weak, unentertaining. Don't look up to someone that you see online who you know nothing about. I'm done with my mental breakdown. I'm gonna go put on my workout clothes and go on a run and leave my phone at home that I hate with all my heart. Every time I'm feeling super overwhelmed, I make to-do lists, put me in a better spot mentally. So I'm gonna do that right now, or else I'm gonna have 6 more breakdowns today. It's 11 p.m. My favorite time of the day when I can just relax in bed and watch The Office. I had a long day full of things that I had to do. Whoa, beauty queen. I woke up like this. Let me fix my hair. My mom actually brought me avocado toast in bed because she... Don't say that. Why? Just kidding. I can't tell you, apparently. Basically, she brought me breakfast in bed because she needs me to do a favor. So I'm gonna eat this in bed. I'm currently getting ready. I need to take some Boncon. I feel like I forgot how to do makeup because of quarantine. Also, this dress is too big on me. Fuck! My beauty blender smells like my dog after it takes a shower. You know that wet dog smell? Mixed with a little bit of Cheetos. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. This is outfit number 1. This is my photographer. Hey, photographer.
Hey! Look, Doge, you stay there.
This is outfit number 3. I'm wearing this little white shirt with these lilac pants. This is the final outfit. Look at the back. The back is my favorite part. Low-key, guys, because of my workout, my butt kind of looks there. But damn, and now I had to shoot my stories for Victoria's Secret. So I had to do squat jumps for the story of this, and I'm out of breath. I finished most of my YouTube work, and now I have to study. ASAP. I have to study for my communication exam, and I just want to show you guys how I usually study. So during my lectures, as you guys saw yesterday, I take notes on my laptop because the teacher's like talking really fast and I feel like it's the easiest way to take notes. But then before the exam, usually like a day or two before, I transfer what I feel like is the most important stuff onto paper, because writing it down physically actually helps you remember it in your head. Look how satisfying this looks. All my notes. I will show you guys how far I have gone with this study guide. I wrote like 2 pages, front and back. I still have a little bit more to write down and take notes on. I think like another page's worth. But before I do that, I'm gonna go on my daily run, because if I don't, it's gonna get dark. Also, I just need to take a break from this. Too many communication theories in my brain right now. Not enough people to communicate with. Except for you guys. Sometimes I forget that like 1 million people are subscribed to me. Hands down, best feeling in the world. When you work out, shower, I have my endorphin rush taking over my soul, and it's just a good thing. We're back at it. I'm a very, very slow worker. Wow, I'm popular. Yeah. I'm going to bed, y'all. I have a Zoom class at 8 a.m. tomorrow that I'm waking up for at 7:55 a.m. It's already like 1 a.m. I forgot to tell you guys, I'm going to Santa Barbara tomorrow. Laid out my suitcase out there. I have to do it tomorrow. Look at my room. It's low-key a mess. Why is there a bottle of olive oil just chilling there? I don't know. Good night. Last week, I literally slept through this class. I'm late. That was fun. That was my philosophy section. Honestly, it's a pretty lit class. Like, we just talk about like thought experiments. We just talked about if we would ever want to. Okay, I'll ask what the TA asked us to you guys. So imagine that you could plan the perfect life for yourself. These scientists come up with this thing where they're gonna put you in like, imagine like a bathtub, and you're like connected to a bunch of fluids and stuff, and you get to like premeditate the perfect life. Like, you engineer it from start to finish, and to the point where you can like recreate your past life like up until this point, so that when you are in the simulation, like the person that you are now would kind of reflect into that. It wouldn't necessarily be it, but you just would never know. Like, imagine just everything goes perfectly, you never know you're in a simulation, your whole family's in the simulation, and you get to design the perfect life for yourself. It was like, would you do it? I said no, and I have my reasons for it, but I'm just really curious. Like, pause this video and comment down below your reasons for it, so I'll wait. This is my reason as to why I wouldn't do it. So I was reading this book called The Death of Ivan Ilyich, where basically like he's really close to dying. Like, he has such a bad feeling about death. He's like, I don't deserve to die right now. He's like, I lived a perfect life. Like, I did everything that I was ought to do. This is important. I don't understand why I'm dying right now, and like not just even dying, like suffering through death. I guess the like message of the point is the fact that he never even truly lived. So that's why he's like, life is kind of worthless. So it doesn't really mean anything that he's dying to other people. He just lived life. Like, he got a job, he married someone because he was like, okay, it's time for me to marry, like let me marry this person, like she's good socioeconomically, we match, great, let's have some children and then raise them the way that, you know, society thinks children should be raised, etc. He has this job, pays well, he's like, great, I have money, I can live lavish. But he only thinks about living his life so perfectly, and the fact that he tries so hard to live it perfectly takes away from so much of the experiences that build character and create a life worthy of living, like pain and challenges and love and passion. Like, he just lacks all of this. He basically like lived life to check off a bunch of boxes, being like, yep, done, next stage, done being a teenager, blah blah blah. And I think so many people live like that. We forget that we create these norms, and that's why I think if you did live in this perfect simulation, even though it probably sounds so dope, like you wouldn't purposefully add something so tragic in there. And if you're not facing these unexpected tragedies in your everyday life, you're gonna have no character. Like, you're gonna live so, like, I don't know, like a plastic bag drifting through the the wind wanting to start again. That's what you're gonna want to live like. But leave a comment down below because I'm curious. Now the question is, do I go back to bed or do I just get up and start my day? I have that communication exam that I studied for yesterday. As the Chinese say, the world belongs to those who wake up early. I don't know if the Chinese said that, but that's what my dad always says. Oh shit, I forgot I have to post an IGTV today. Go check out the gram. This is how uploading an IGTV looks like, by the way. I'm back in my spot and I'm about to take that test. Okay, that took me 50 minutes. I just checked all my answers and ta-da! I'll let y'all know how I did. Now I have to join office hours. Yeah, remember that paper I'm writing? I just have a few questions. I'm studious as hell. This is what this vlog has made me realize. I just packed everything that I need to take to Santa Barbara. I'm staying there for like a week or so, I believe. Kind of like really small, actually. Bye. Bye. Bye, Jax. Bye. I'm stealing mom. Just kidding. Jax, what are you doing? You're not coming with me. Oh, you're driving? Jax. Jax, I'm sorry, you can't come. Bye, little guy. Bye. Y'all, it is hot as fuck out here. Baby hairs do not thrive in 99-degree weather. Sanitizing just in case. Wow, thank you, Tom. Thanks. Oh my god, why am I so ugly? Hum, sweet hum. I'm actually starving, so Tom and I are cooking. This is tofu, and we're just gonna make some fried rice from Trader Joe's. The studious duo continues. I basically came to Santa Barbara to change my study location, is what I'm seeing.
And to get some vitamin D.
Shut up. Tom bought this cold brew coffee from Trader Joe's and some almond milk.
Like this makes 12 8-ounce cups of coffee. You know what I mean?
No.
Like one part. I tried it yesterday.
Is it bad?
It's not amazing.
So what does that mean, one part? 1/3?
Try it like that. Just try some of it. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell you.
Shake it up. Shake it up. Out.
Because you got them last time.
Lokes. Tastes good. We get it, forearm muscle. You're Floyd Mayweather. You know he's illiterate.
Yeah, you can't read his book.
Go to the picture. That's me during philosophy. That's Tom trying to teach me how to make coffee.
To describe those patterns accurately. So we're like mapping them.
That's cool, but if my friends ask where you are, I'm gonna say she fell down in an airplane. Fried getting suntan. Can't say the word semen. Oh, hi, Mark.
Mark.
Who's Mark? From here. Anyways, first things first. Drink your water every morning. Barclay's philosophy of immaterialism.
Barclay's what?
Barclay's philosophy of immaterialism. So this is fake, but it's real in my mind. Would humans be able to prove the existence of external objects, matter, as a mind-independent thing? Humans can never get out of their own brains to show matter.
You wanna start on the breakfast? Lunch?
Bye, Mark. Breakfast in 1, 2. I'm just gonna watch The Office and eat breakfast. What, babe, you never tell me to comb my eyebrows. I've been editing this video, actually. So I just haven't done anything like interesting and fun. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I feel like it's been long enough. Thank you guys so much if you watched all the way up to this point. I appreciate you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. All the way to Pluto and back. Bye.